Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn digital crown to unlock and eject water on Apple Watch Series 9. So if at the end of this you found this upon informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you enable water lock. To do that, press the control center button once, scroll down, locate and select water lock. Then you should see your digital crown locked. However, to turn digital crown to unlock and eject water on your Apple Watch, all you simply need to do is go ahead, press and hold the digital crown. Then you should say unlocked ejecting water. And then after that, if you set passcode on your Apple Watch, go ahead and type in your passcode. Then the digital crown will be enabled and the water in the Apple Watch will be ejected. And then you're good. So that is basically how to turn digital crown to unlock and eject water on Apple Watch and all Apple Watch series, including Apple Watch Series 3, Series 4, Series 5, up to Series 10. So, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.